update from NaijaNews TV. Core members to get 77,000 Naira monthly allowance soon, says NYSC. The management of the National Youth Service Corps, NYSC, says core members in the country will soon start receiving 77,000 Naira as their monthly allowance. NYSC Director General, Brigadier General YD Ahmed, stated this on Tuesday in Abuja. According to a statement by the NYSC spokesperson, Allowance Embu, General Ahmed, who said his administration places a high priority on core members' welfare, added that arrangements for the payment of new core members' allowances have been concluded. The increase of the monthly allowance for core members followed the review of the minimum wage from 30,000 Naira to 70,000 Naira. Recall that in July 2024, President Tinubu signed the minimum wage bill into law, ending months of deliberation between government authorities, labor unions, and private sectors. Elon Musk may buy English Premier League giant.
Has he expressed a desire to buy Liverpool Football Club?
Oh yes, but that doesn't mean he's buying it, you know. So,
but it is in his sights. It is in his sights.
He would like to, yes. Obviously, you know, anybody would want to, you know. So would I.
Elon Musk's father, Elon Musk, has revealed that the billionaire entrepreneur has shown interest in acquiring Liverpool Football Club. In an interview, Elon was questioned about rumors linking his son to the purchase of the Premier League giants. When asked directly if Elon Musk had expressed a desire to buy the club, Elon, according to Daily Mail Co. UK, initially deflected, saying, "I can't comment on that. They will raise the price," followed by a laugh. However, he later admitted, "Oh yes, but that doesn't mean he's buying it. He would like to, yes, obviously. Anybody would want to, so would I." Aaron also highlighted the Musk family ties to Liverpool, having a personal touch to the potential interest. His grandmother was born in Liverpool, and we have relatives there. We are fortunate to know quite a lot of them. NaijaNews reports that Elon Musk, the richest man in the world, currently owns Tesla, SpaceX, and social media giant X, formerly known as Twitter. He's also a top member of the incoming administration of US President-elect Donald Trump.
Okay, what did you say they do you again?
I get a headache.
You get headache and you don't know what you tell you scared and you dey come pharmacy.
If I know where I go, I no go come here now.
You see your mouth, if you know what you Stella! Yeah, my lord. Yeah, don't kiss me. What did they do you now? Calm down. Give her 4 the with swear posting or 2.
Nigerian skit maker and social media personality Kata Efe, whose real name was Odao Joseph Efe, has sparked concerns among his followers after posting a cryptic message hinting at his potential departure from the world on January 10, 2025. The post, which stated "might leave this out January 10th," sparked a range of reactions from fans, some of whom took it as joke, while others expressed worry. Notably, social media influencer Today Ednot urged those close to Kata to check on him out of concern. Today Ednot wrote, "I don't even know when to take Kata serious anymore, but in case this is not a joke, if you know him, please check on him for us please. He might not be joking. Someone should please reach out to him with love." Some fans also speculated that his post could be related to personal struggles, but the exact intention behind it remains unclear. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.